Hello guys, so welcome to another video. So those of you that don't know, or those of you that follow me on Instagram and already know, obviously I applied for the rap job competition and I actually made it to the top 40. So this Sunday I'm heading down to Yanni Mize and I'm going to compete. We've got 5 minutes to rap either a door handle, wing mirror or a petrol cap, and obviously then from that I believe that 12 contestants are then picked to go through to the live TV shows. I'm not sure if it's based on YouTube or whether it's based on the actual TV. Could be both because there's a lot of sponsors. So thank you obviously to Yanni and Bert for picking me. If you want to see this process, it was like a process of elimination sort of thing. Link is in the description to the video, and honestly your guys' support on that video honestly it's absolutely insane. I think 70% of the comments are saying my name, which when this focuses properly, there we go, I think 70% of the comments is actually saying my name, which is absolutely insane. Your guys' support is massive, honestly it's huge, and I can't thank you enough. Even if I don't get into the top 12, at least I have given it a go, and I'm happy with top 40, so with all the people that applied. But obviously I'm going to do my best and try and get that first place. So I've got a lot of practicing to do. So I thought I'd just let you guys know that don't follow me on Instagram, that obviously that had happened literally after the video was premiered through Yanni Mize, because it was watched live. I had so many messages saying congratulations, so honestly, thank you guys, it means a lot. And there will be a 350Z video on Thursday, 6 PM. Smash that like button please, and like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, because I sincerely appreciate it. And your guys' support, honestly, means a lot. Thank you so much.